Here are 5 things you didn't know about the brutal end of the Knights Templar. First, King Philip IV of France pulled off history's first coordinated dawn raid. On Friday the 13th, 1307, thousands of Templars were arrested simultaneously across the entire country. Second, the Templars possessed wealth equal to entire kingdoms, but it all vanished overnight. Their legendary treasure was never found, sparking centuries of conspiracy theories. Third, Grand Master Jacques de Molay was slowly roasted alive over burning coals. He endured 7 years of imprisonment and torture before his final execution. Fourth, Pope Clement V was blackmailed into dissolving the order. Philip threatened to invade papal territory unless the Pope destroyed the Templars completely. Fifth, the Templars were tortured into confessing they worshipped a demonic head called Baphomet. But here's the most chilling part. De Molay cursed both the king and Pope from his burning stake. Both died within a year, creating the terrifying legend of the Templar Curse.